the really cool thing is whether you end up with 1 million subscribers or 0, everybody starts at this point, and that's setting up a channel. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's fairly straightforward, but there's a few key things along the way that you'll need to do just to make sure you get things set up right. So let's just get right into it. So the very first thing you want to do is come up here in the top right corner, go to sign in. Now we're going to create a new account for work or business because we want to keep it separate from our personal Gmail account. So you just enter your name in here and then you enter your date of birth. And then here you can either use your existing email or get a Gmail instead. So I'm going to create my own. And then just enter your password, and you want to enter your phone number, enter the verification code that it sends you. You can add a recovery email here, which I'm going to skip for now. So you can choose your manual settings or go to Express, and then you just want to accept your terms and conditions. So now we're back on YouTube. We've set up our account, as you can see there. I'm going to go to this create a channel, and this is where we've got my name. Obviously you can put your own name. Your name here is what shows up on your channel page, and your handle is like your social media handle. That's unique to you. This is a really important time, so if you've thought of your channel name that you're going to use across all your social media and other places, you can input it now. If you haven't thought of one yet, you can just use a generic one and change it later. So I'm going to create a channel. What it's saying now is I have created a channel. Check back in a few moments. Just give it a refresh and there it is. This is what is your channel page. The next step you want to do is add a picture. And it says, welcome to the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personal insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics and more. We're going to go to upload our picture. It tells you here, it's recommended that you use a picture that's at least 98 by 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less. Use a PNG or GIF. No animation files. Make sure that your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. And then we get to customize the picture. You can just zoom it in on your face there so you get a really clear picture, because obviously on mobile and stuff this is going to be really small. So get it nice and zoomed in so people can see who you are. The next step is banner image, and for the best results use at least 2048 by 1152 pixels. So I'm just going to show you quickly through Adobe Express how to make a banner. You can do this on Canva, or if you know how to use Photoshop or other things. For this I'm just going to use a pre-selected one, so we'll use this one here, and this is already the right size for your banners. This part will show up on mobile, the bigger parts will show up on the TV. We're going to download this, then we come back here, click upload, and then as you can see here, I've already cocked it up a bit because this bit's not showing up there. It shows you here, viewable on TV, viewable on desktop, viewable on all devices. Here you've got video watermark, and this kind of shows up in the bottom of a YouTube corner. You can add a little subscribe button if you want. Doesn't really have a huge impact, it's totally up to you. I don't really bother anymore. Click publish and it'll save those changes. It says here changes publish, go to channel. And sometimes it does this where it doesn't show up, so you just need to click refresh. And of course it's not doing it, so you click view channel again. There it is. So we've got our banner up there, which is terrible, I know. Now as you can see, I've actually saved a channel picture here, but sometimes it just takes a couple of minutes to update on your channel. You see it's not showing up here, but that's just because I guess YouTube's maybe verifying the image to make sure it doesn't breach community guidelines. So the next step to creating our channel is we're going to head into the YouTube Studio. If you've never been here before, it's nothing to be scared of. You've got your upload videos, your channel analytics. There's nothing showing here yet because I haven't uploaded any videos. You get create insiders every week or every month. You've got your content. There's nothing there just yet. This is where all that lives. Your analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, earn, customization. The first place we want to go is to our settings, which is just down the bottom there. General, change your currency to what currency you like. You can set your country of origin. You can add keywords here for your channel, whatever it might be about. Now a lot of people will say that tags are not important in this day and age, but it does still have a tags box there. It's not going to hurt you to add relevant tags that are about your channel, so just do it anyway. Now we're going to go into advanced settings, and you've got here audience. If you make content for kids, this is really simple to think about. Is your content specifically made for children and no one else? If it is, then you want to click yes, set this channel as made for kids. If it's no, which is everything else, click no. Really simple. If If you do that once here, you won't have to do it every time. So the next step is feature eligibility. Can't say that word. You can manage and access more features here. Intermediate and advanced features require additional verification, which helps you keep the YouTube community safe for everyone. So you've got standard features, which everybody gets when they first have a channel, which is video uploads, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlist, add new videos to existing playlists. But these two here are the next step. So we've got intermediate features, which allows you to upload videos over 15 minutes, do custom thumbnails, which is really important. If you're interested in live streaming, you need to get this. So we need to verify our phone number. So now we've verified our phone number, and you can see now that's gone green. It says enabled. This next one is advanced features, which is increased daily video uploads and live streams, and eligibility to apply for monetization. And it allows you to appeal content ID claims, create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, external links in the video description, eligible to apply for monetization. There's 3 ways that you can do this. Video verification. Basically, you look into your phone's camera, follow the steps, and you can verify that way. You can upload a valid ID, or if you don't want to do those two for maybe privacy reasons, if you follow your community guidelines and build your channel history for around 2 months, then you will be able to do that. But my advice is, if you don't have any security reasons where you wouldn't want to do video verification or valid ID, I'd just do them, because really you want these features right away. So here we are, we've got the email sent to our new email address that we created when we set up our YouTube channel. We click start verification. Then you need to take your mobile phone, scan the QR code. So now we are going to agree to the video verification, following through on the phone, and we're going to click agree. It's got here tips for your video. You'll be asked to move your head in different directions, hold the phone at eye level, use lighting that isn't too dim or too bright, make sure that your eyes, nose and mouth are visible, no sunglasses, no hats. You don't need to speak or dress up. Check that there's no images or faces in your background. And then the video is in review, and it says that it can take up to 24 hours. So once that's done, it'll come up here, it says it's pending. Once that's complete, you'll get a message there. So the next step we're going to look at is customization. This allows you, it's just where you put your name, or you can change your handle if you didn't do it earlier on. You can add your description to your channel, such as making amazing YouTube videos. This shows up on your channel, and then you've got your channel URL. You can add the links here. You can add your email address here, which you want to have a separate email address from what is the actual email address that you log into your channel, and that's for security reasons. And then the last thing I'm going to show you very quickly is the monetization tab. This just shows you, if you go to earn on your dashboard right here, it tells you there's many ways to earn. You won't be able to unlock any of these until you follow the requirements which are given. The most important next step before you do anything else is on your Earn tab, come down here to turn on 2-step verification. Here we go. You'll be redirected to Google Security to turn on 2-step verification for your account. This will help to protect your account from being hacked or compromised. Once you've completed this process, you'll be redirected back to YouTube. All you've got to do then is follow the on-screen tips, click turn on for turning on 2-step verification, and that's it done. This means later on, if you're eligible, you'll be able to monetize. Now that you've turned on 2-factor authentication, I'm going to show you how to use a security key, which is the most secure way to prevent your account getting hacked. It's like an offline security method. And if you don't know much about these, I'm going to explain to you in my next video, which is right here. So have a click of that if you're interested. It's just something I think you should set up now rather than later down the line. So give it a click and we'll learn about it right now.